Hi everyone! In this video, I will help you how to activate your card. So first of all, you need your physical card with you. So you need first to request your card. So if you already have your card with you, then let us now activate it. So says here that you have three choices to activate your card. First is in their mobile app, which is called Truist Mobile. So you can also go here to their website right here and also click on the mobile app button and it will show you or redirect you to this page right here, which you can also opt to activate your card. After that, you can also call with this number right here. Let me zoom it for you. So 800-963-2262. And when you use your card at an ATM or with your PIN match, that's all.